In this video, I'll guide you through how to print a constant contact newsletter. Whether you're sharing your latest updates with a team or just want a physical copy for your records, printing your newsletter can be a handy option. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make this as smooth as possible. To start, open your preferred web browser and go to constantcontact.com. This is the platform where all your newsletters and emails are housed, so it's the first stop on our journey. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features we'll be using today. Once you're on the Constant Contact dashboard, look for the Channels option. Clicking on Channels will take you to a new page where you can manage all the different ways you interact with your audience, such as emails, social posts, and more. For our purpose, we'll focus on the email channel. Next, you'll see an option to click on Emails. This is where you'll find all the emails and newsletters you've created. It's essentially your library of communications, and from here, we can select the specific newsletter you wish to print. As you browse through your list of emails, locate the newsletter you want to print. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 dots next to the newsletter title. These dots are a menu for additional options. Clicking on them will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions you can take. From the drop-down, select Download and Print. This option prepares your newsletter for printing by downloading it in a format that's easy to handle. Depending on your browser's settings, the newsletter might automatically download to your default folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location to save the file. After downloading, you'll see that there's a print option at the top right of the screen. Clicking this will open up the print dialog box. But before you hit print, it's crucial to ensure that your printer is connected and ready to go. Double check that your printer is turned on, has enough paper, and is connected either via USB or through your network. With everything set up, go ahead and click print. Your Constant Contact newsletter will start printing, and just like that, you'll have a physical copy in your hands in no time. This simple guide has shown you how to print your Constant Contact newsletter quickly and easily. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep a tangible version of your digital communications, which can be useful for archiving, sharing, or just having a backup. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.